Hi guys, it's me, Ana Candelaria again. So I'm just so excited to share with you guys that we have a ready for occupancy here at Amaresa Melilao, our Amara Expanded. So guys, if you're interested for a ready for occupancy, now let's have a quick house tour so that I can show you the beautiful Amara Expanded. Our Amara Expanded. It's a two-story single attached house and lot with a minimum lot area of 110 square meter and a gross floor area of 131 square meter. Here's your carport with deck so very secure din ang inyong mga sasakyan. And in front and side of your house, you still have your spaces for your garden. Now let's check inside the house. Welcome to Amara Expanded, the very elegant and very spacious Amara Expanded. As you can see, very elegant ang ating Amara Expanded. And this is the sample model house of our Amara Expanded. So it has a very spacious living area and it has an open layout for your kitchen. You can put a 6-seater or an 8-seater dining table. So very modern ang design ng ating Amara Expanded. You also have your sliding door to your lanai. Before anything else, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. We also have our mini room here or maid's room on the ground floor, or you can convert it to your office if you are working at home. And this is your first toilet and bath. So it's a complete water fixtures, very elegant ang ating first toilet and bath. Now, let's check our second floor. So this is the actual turnover of our stairs. It's a complete stairs and naka-steel handrails po tayo. Here on the second floor, you can find the 3 very spacious bedrooms and a 2 toilet and bath and your big balcony. The master's bedroom with own toilet and bath. And our second bedroom. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe button for more house updates. And your third bedroom, perfect for your kids. You also have a big space for your hallway. And this is your balcony where you can enjoy the space with your family for special events. And you know what's best with Amara Expanded? It has a very spacious attic. Here on your attic, para kang may third floor. So here, you can convert this attic to your family area or to your kids' playroom. So here are the sample computation for our Amara Expanded, and then you can reserve this for only 30,000 pesos. It's really worth the price to invest here at Amaresa Marilao. Alam nyo ba na sobrang bilis ng value appreciation ng property here at Amaresa Marilao. So book a schedule now to see the actual property. Here at Amaresa Marilao, we offer high-end amenities such as basketball court, swimming pool, parks and playground, and clubhouse. Very secure ang ating community. We are guarded 24 by 7. Along the highway lang ang ating subdivision kaya very accessible to public transportation. One ride lang to Manila, Quezon City, and Monumento. Very accessible sa mga major establishments like school, churches, and supermarket. So if you're interested with our Ready for Occupancy Amara Expanded model, so please do call me at 0927-347-9967 so that we can schedule your site viewing. So limited lang po ito. We have 3 units left for our Ready for Occupancy. The rest are pre-selling po. Again, this is Ana Candelaria. For any inquiry, site viewing schedule, or for reservation, please do call me at 0927-347-9967. and book a schedule now.